Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do well to subscribe, like, share the video. Vitesse communication. In today's video I will be showing you how to change Wi-Fi touchpad. The process you follow in order to change Wi-Fi touchpad. This is a Wi-Fi touchpad. The touchpad has been broken, so we want to replace it with a new one. So to start, you need to open your phone first. I'm already losing the phone. I've opened the phone. I want to change the touchpad. First of all, you need to dismantle everything from the phone in order to remove the old touchpad. You need to use gently and remove your screen from the phone with care so that it will not spoil. You can just pass it like this. Remove it. Then you have to separate the screen from the touchpad so you can see it is flexible. You just open it. This is the old touchpad. So we want to replace it with a new one. As you are seeing in this tissue, this is a new touchpad. Let me unfold it so that you see the new touchpad. Look at the new touchpad there. So we want to change the Y2 new touchpad. This is the Y2 new touchpad. So I've already tested the touchpad. So for you to do now, what to do now, you need to remove the seal or the leather you are seeing here. What are the seal? After that, you can leave it here. You apply the touchpad gum. This one is the touchpad gum. You make sure that you clean this place. Clean it fine so that the gum can hold well. After cleaning it, you just apply the gum. Apply to the gum. So you just pass it under here. After that, you lap it well. You're pressing it gently. You're pressing it gently. After that, you put your screen now. Then you mount your panel. Before doing that, you need to bend this touchpad clip so that it will rest here. Then you place your Y2 panel on the top. After that, you clip your touchpad. After clipping your touchpad, you clip the screen. You can see how I can do it now. Then let me test it to see if it has worked. Let's wait for the phone to boot on. I'll wait for some time. Why to usually take times before you boot? Just wait for either 1 or 2 minutes or some 30 seconds. It's still booting. Just be waiting. Okay, it has vibrated. Just some time it will display normal. Okay. As you can see, it has worked. Just touch. It's still loading. Just wait for some time. Okay. You can see it has started working. So that's just a simple way of testing or changing your wire to touchpad. So continue to watch my video to have more updates on phone repair, both software and hardware. If you want me to upload any video, you can put your comment there in the comment section there. So that is it. Thank you.